Italian cuisine is an infinite source of inspiration. Taste and share these samosas stuffed with spinach and ricotta cheese like some ravioli. Here are the ingredients for 30 samosas. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Finely cut the onion. Roughly cut the spinach. Put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a pan heated over high heat. Add the onion. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Add the spinach and the salt. Stir from time to time until the water of the spinach is evaporated. Then cut the thigh. Let it cool in the mixing bowl. Then add the ricotta, the grated parmesan, some ground pepper, a pinch of grated nutmeg. Mix all together. Now start making the samosas. Take 2 cheese to have a double thickness. The samosas will be more crispy. Cut them into strips of 5 centimeters. The samosa cheese are very fine. They'll dry quickly in contact with the air, so keep them under a dry cloth. Take a double strip, put 1 teaspoon of filling. Make a first triangle that wraps the filling. Turn it toward the opposite side, and so on. By making each fold, press the base of the triangle to tighten the stuffing. At the end, put the rest of the samosa sheet inside as if to close an envelope. Heat a pan over medium heat with 1 centimeter of oil. When the oil is hot, put the samosas with the side of the final fold underneath. Let them brown each side for about 3 minutes. Remove them and put them on paper towels. The samosas are ready. Serve warm when they are crispy. If you prepare them in advance, heat them in the oven for a few minutes to warm them and give them crispy back. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.